In this video, you'll learn how to switch from Wix Studio to the classic Wix editor. First, this is Wix Studio here. You can see my olive sites. Next, you'll find the Settings option at the bottom. Click Settings, then select Workspace Settings to continue. As you can see, it says, you can leave Wix Studio and the Partner Program. Right next to it, you'll find the Find Out More option. Go ahead and click Find Out More to continue. Now, confirm your understanding by clicking the checkbox. This ensures you're aware of the changes before, and then click Leave Studio. Finally, as you can see, we've successfully switched from the Wix Studio to the Wix Classic editor. You've now learned how to move from Wix Studio to the Classic editor.